Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this lead code problem of the day and problem 1007 minimum domino rotations for equal row. So in this problem what we are given two array top I and bottom I. Here we have a domino and like this is a domino this is a domino and upper part of the domino is top I and there is a bottom part domino, suppose bottom part in it. Okay, I am not here to draw is bottom I, and what we have to do, we have to make we have to make the values in tops or in the bottoms are the same, means either all the tops value, like if we are given n number of dominoes, then all the values of tops in then all the dominoes value tops are equal, else while all the bi's are equal. Bi means bottom i's, means either tops value are equal, tops value either bottom values are equal. And what we can do, like here it is 2 and here it is 3, it is 5. Okay, tops 1 is equal to 2, tops 1 bottom 1 is equal to 5, so we can swap them. Like here it is 2 and it is 5, so we can swap them each other. Okay, then value will be 5 comma 2. So but we have to return the minimum number of rotator the minimum number of rotations of domino we have to do, and elsewhere if it cannot possible then we just have to return -1. Okay, so the what is the base condition? Suppose these are the and now if I make this problem simplified, then this is problem saying we are given uh, I just make it of some dash bit. We are given how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, first, second, third, fourth and 5 and 6. Okay, suppose this is t means top, this is bottom. uh, 2 1 2 4 2 1 2 4 2 2. Okay, both are 2 2, 5 2 6 2 5 2 6 2 3 2 3 2. And what we have to do, we have to make all the values of this array equal, or the all the values of this array equal. Now what we can see a major function. If we have to swap the value or we have to change the value, then how, what is the range of value we can change? This is the range, this is the range we can change, means either we can change top I to bi or bi to top I. Okay, top side to bi or bi to top side. So it means either what is the value we will make equal to the all the rows, one of the top side. What I want to say, if I want to make tops I, all the tops I is equal to x, then either tops I is equal to x or bi is equal to x, bottom I is equal to x. Okay, because if our top size is equal to x, then it's okay. And if I my top size is not is equal to x, and if my bottom I is equal to x, then I can swap it. Okay, but suppose if we have two, we want to make it two, all two, then here we have already two, so we will continue. If we want to make it six, we want to make it six, then we can swap it. But suppose if we want to make it 5, then it is possible? No, it is not possible, because this value is not is equal to 5 and this value is not is equal to 5. So our tops so our this ith element will never be equal to 5. Okay, so we just return -1 in this case. Now how we will move it? So one thing we can observe very clearly here, we have to make from tops 0 or bottom 0, means all the values of this row can be is equal to tops 0 or bottom 0. Okay, similarly all the values of this particular row can be tops 0 or bottom 0. So how we will do it, we will initially take an answer, then x and y, and trying to make and find the minimum number of posts that we will need to make all tops I is equal to tops 0. Tops I should write here. Now what is x is equal to cost to make all is equal to tops 0, and y is equal to cost to make everyone in Just a minute. AI is not is equal to 0. Okay, then we will swap bi, and bi is not okay. And y is the cost of making all the in t, ti in t. Okay, it is t0 of all the cost of making all the bottoms in b is equal to b0. Now if our a0 and b0 are equal, then our y is 0, elsewhere it is 1. Now y1 we will swap a0 and b0 as we are starting it from 1. Okay, then if my a0 is not, ai is not is equal to a0 and bi is not is equal to a0, means we cannot make this ith index is equal to a0. Then we just make xy into x and break down and take answer is equal to minimum. Okay, now if my ai is not is equal to a0, like if here we have to make it 2, this is not is equal to 2, this variable is not is equal to 2. And if my bi is equal to a0, my this variable what happens, my this variable is equal to a0, then I can swap it. So my x will increase, means I need one more rotations. And if my bi is not is equal to a0, and if my ai is equal to 0, then I need to swap ai to bi, then y plus plus. Similarly, now in this array I want to make all of them is equal to b0. Now I want the cost to find out all the all the bottom I and top I is equal to b0. Now x is equal to cost of b0, uh, b0 cost of b0 in b, and y is cost of b0 in t. T means tops. Okay, you can see if either of the element ai or bi is equal to b0, then xy is equal to int max and break. And I again initialize it with, because if my both are equal then it is 0, elsewhere I have to swap a0 with b0. Now if my ai is not is equal to b0, means my aith is not is equal to b0, like here if we want to make it 5, or if we have to want to make it like suppose if it is equal to 3, suppose for a minute, because 3 5 cannot be a reality possible. Suppose if it is 3 and we are at this index, my top side is not is tops is a here, tops is a and bottom is b. If you are confused, then I just clear. Okay, I sort comment it down also. Top is equal to a is equal to top, b is equal to what happens, what is equal to bottom. Okay, we are at here. If my ai is not is equal to b0, if my 2 is not is equal to 3 and my bi is equal to 3, then I can swap it. I can swap it and y will increase. And if my elsewhere, if my bi is not is equal to b0 and if my ai is, then I just increase x, then I again take the minimum of all. And if my answer is equal to int max, means I never be able to make it is equal to the value in a value in any row in tops or bottom same, then I just return -1, else I will return answer. So I just run my code, and now I am submitting it. You can see all the cases here not, so you can see this problem has passed out all the test cases. So this is the approach how we will solve it. There can be many more approach, but this is the efficient, I think. I hope you will understand it. You'll like the explanation as well. And if you, then please like the video, subscribe the channel, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching this, guys.